Hello, hope you're all having a good day. This is the second cook I'm going to be doing with this pizza oven today. So hopefully this will warm up quicker than the last one. The last one, if you watched the previous video, the base wasn't hot enough because I was worried that I was going to cremate it again. I edged on the side of caution, but what happened was it too far on the side of caution. I'm determined to do this right today. So I just added some lump wood. I can hear it all crackling and fizzing. And I'm going to put a log. Actually, these logs are a bit big. Let's see if I can get a smaller log. That will fit. Looks like a nice log. I think that might fit. Let's see. Squash down. No problem. It's about 10 minutes later. Let's give a check. Ooh, right. It's looking good. Put the lid back on there. And the oven is getting hot. So this time I'm going to make another red pizza as the Uuni Pro heats up again. Some more mozzarella. And some freshly sliced red onions. It's a bit big. And I've got some pancetta, which I'm going to chop up into cubes. That's ready for the cook. My pizza's ready. The oven is going right up now with the log in the back. It's been another 8 minutes. Ooh, stand back. Yeah, that's burning well. And so I'm going to check the temperature of the stone. I can't get the door off. Ow! Need my gloves. My door off. Oh my. Get camp. There must be a way to do this when it sticks, but I haven't learned it yet. Brute force needed to... I'm scared I'm going to pull the oven off the table if I pull it too hard. It's like rolling, the wheels are starting to roll. Oh, did it. Right. Oh wow, okay, that's far too hot. Need to get this to cool down. Also, I couldn't move that stone back. It's just too hot. I can't get in there to move it. So I'll just cook with it like that. But yeah, this really needs to cool down. Lovely flame going there though. Nice. I don't know how long I need to sit here with the door off to cool this stone down, because I know that I've done this before and I've cooked it at this temperature and I've cremated the base, and I don't want to do that again. Thinking I'm going to leave it a minute or two just to go down a bit more. See, already that says it's gone down. See, or has it? No. At the back it's 516. I'm going to try and move this Yeah, did it. Right, let's check the temperature of the back, which I know is going to scupper the base if I don't get it right. Still, oh my gosh, it's going up. It's gone up. Try again. I think maybe I was pointing it. I think I need a new one of these because it's, I've seen some and they've got a red light when you can see it touching the stone. With mine, I'm sort of guessing it's around here somewhere, and maybe that's, yeah, I think it's okay. I'm gonna try it. Right, here goes. Let's see. Oh, I know what I haven't done. I haven't put that last bit in, but looking at the flames in there, do I need to put that bit of kindling in? I don't think there's any room for that kindling to go in. No, I think there's no flame in there. Oh my gosh, what happened? Did some of my tomato sauce fly off onto the base? I think it did. Oh, I've left the peel in the kitchen. Okay, I've got the peel. Okay, so this is going to be the last time I use this peel. Can't wait. Right at the front. Right, the flames aren't coming over again, so I'm going to put some kindling in. Let's keep going for it now with the flames. I'm going to keep it at the front and see if that kindling will just give it that extra top cook I need. Getting that flame going over the top. Can you see that there? That's working really well. Ooh, better. It's a lovely smell coming off the onions here. Off the pancetta, it's smoked pancetta. Delicious. Okay, just show you what's happening in the oven. See that flame is coming right to the front with those added bits of kindling. It really makes a huge difference. Have I managed to cook the base and the top? There was lovely smells coming out from the oven, which is a sign that things have been cooking in there. The base has been cooked. I haven't cremated it. It's like a golden brown colour. So I'm going to try this pizza. I forgot to put fresh pancetta on. So I've added some fresh pancetta onto these as well. Let's try that bit. That's really good. Try it with some cooked and fresh pancetta. Lovely. A bit browner than the previous one, so that's good. The dough has just yeast, salt, flour and water. I haven't put any oil in. I dissolved the salt again in water and the yeast in water separately before I put them in with the mix. This was mixed with a Kenwood mixer, not the bread maker, because I lost the blade for the bread maker and found it again too late. Very yummy, delicious tasting pancetta. Very nice.